Welcome to our tutorial on enhancing motion control in two-way swing doors using SOLIDWORKS. Today, we'll explore how to apply torsional dampers and springs to reduce oscillations for smoother operation. Let's start by opening our two-way swing door assembly, already prepared for this exercise. Navigate to the Motion Study icon to create a new motion analysis. First, we'll add a torsional spring to our door. Click on the spring icon, select Torsional Spring, and define the axis of rotation along with the moving part. Set the spring constant to 100 Newton millimeters per degree and the free angle to 90 degrees. Confirm by clicking the green check mark. After setting the spring, run the simulation. Notice the oscillating movement as the door comes to a halt. Our goal is to minimize this using a torsional damper. Now, let's add a torsional damper. Click the damper icon, choose Torsional Damper, and again, select the axis of rotation and the moving part. This time, set the damping constant to 150 Newton millimeters per degree per second. With the damper in place, run the simulation once more. The difference is clear. The door's movement is much smoother, with significantly reduced oscillations. Congratulations! You've successfully improved the two-way swing door's performance. Experiment with different settings to see how they affect the motion. Thank you for following along.